Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The home health technology company Brondell is reporting greatly increased demand for products in the midst of the COVID-19 crisis. Communications Director Daniel Lalley says air purifiers and water purifiers are being installed in many homes, but the largest increase in sales has been in the company's bidet line, with some models completely eliminating the need for toilet paper.
When you get one of these seats with a warm air dryer, you can cut your toilet paper usage by 100%. We have a lot of different models, some for as low as $249, $269.
While no specific claims are made about COVID-19 when it comes to the True HEPA air purifiers, they are designed to remove 99.9% of viruses and more. The company offers our listeners a 15% discount with the code FRED15 at Brondell.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.